In the series of word list, this is number 10. Again, we are learning 17 words with the relevant synonyms, antonyms. Let's command the 17 words today in the class. Word number 1, remarkable. She made a remarkable improvement in her English speaking skills. So, what does remarkable mean? It is worth noticing. It is something which is unusual or something which is quite impressive. The synonyms of the word are notable and extraordinary. Opposite words are ordinary and unremarkable. The second word is buoyant. The boat remained buoyant even in rough climate. That means the boat was able to float, or the person is very cheerful. Even in that context, we can use the word buoyant. Synonyms are floating and cheerful. Antonyms are sinking, and obviously, opposite of cheerful is to be sad or depressed. The third word in the category is insulating. This material is good for insulating homes from heat. So, what does insulating mean? This is preventing heat, sound, or electricity from passing. Synonyms are protecting and insulating or isolating. Antonyms are exposing or conducting. Word 4 is replicating. The scientist is replicating. The scientist is replicating the experiment to check the results, meaning copying or reproducing something. Synonyms are duplicating or imitating. The opposite words are destroying and altering. Word number 5 is squash. He accidentally squashed the plastic bottle under his foot. So, what is the meaning of squash? It is to press or crush something to be flat. Synonyms are crush or compress. Antonyms are expand or inflate. Inflate. Word 6 now. Spring back. The rubber band will spring back to its original shape. The meaning, return to original shape or position. Synonyms are rebound or recover. Antonyms are collapse. Collapse means to fall. Weaken. Weaken is an adjective which means to become weak in position. Word 7 is flourish. Small businesses flourish when the economy is stable. That means small businesses will grow well or succeed when the economy is stable. Synonyms are thrive or prosper. Antonyms are decline or fail. Word 8 is a phrasal verb which means account for. The teacher asked him to account for his absence. The teacher asked him to account for his absence. That means to explain or to give a reason for his absence. Synonyms are again explain or justify, and antonyms are confuse or ignore. Word 9 is stripped. The walls were stripped of paint before renovation. So, what is the meaning of stripped? Means removed the covering or parts. Synonyms are bare or uncovered. Antonyms are covered or clothed. So, 10th word is vertical. The ladder was placed in a vertical position, which means up and down direction. Synonyms are upright or perpendicular. Antonyms are horizontal or flat. Word 11 is horizontal. The picture was hung in a horizontal line, meaning side to side direction. Synonyms are level or flat. Antonyms are vertical or upright. Word 12 is ideal. The place is ideal for a peaceful holiday. That means the place is perfect or the place is the most suitable for a beautiful and a peaceful holiday. Synonyms are perfect or optimal, optimal. Antonyms are imperfect and unsuitable. Word 13 is related to a science word which means thermal. People wear thermal clothes in winter to stay warm. Thermal is related to heat. Synonyms are heat related or warm. Antonyms are cold or cool. 14th word is related to business, which is monopoly. That company has a monopoly over the local market, meaning complete control of a market by only one seller. The synonyms are dominance or control. Antonyms are competition or free market. 15th word is a group word which is in keeping with. Three words in keeping with. His actions were in keeping with the rules of the company. That means they were matching. His actions were matching with the rules of a company or in agreement with. Synonyms are consistent with or in line with. Antonyms are inconsistent with or opposed to. Word 16 is sustainable. We should use sustainable resources to protect the environment. That means we should continue for a long time without harming the resources we have at hand. Synonyms are maintainable or eco friendly. Antonyms are unsustainable or harmful. The last word in the class is synthetic. His shirt is made from synthetic fiber. That means artificial or man made. Synonyms are artificial or manufactured. Opposite of artificial is obviously natural or organic. So that was all for today's class. Happy learning.